why you niggas even doubt me. And if you don't believe me, should've asked somebody about me. I go in on that daily nigga crazy motivation. It's all about the grind, the hustle and elevation. I'm moving, let these people see just what I'm doing. I'm proving, everybody wrong said I'm losing. I'm on the grind, nigga, and I'm headed to the top. I will never stop, tell a nigga got a game locked. Need a brand new crib, need a brand new whip, need a brand new chick to make that money flip. Yeah, everything funny, heard you talking shit until you saw the money that a nigga pocket in. Right, showstopper, oh that showstopper. Walk up in this bitch, cut all the most watching. Yeah, nigga, let no get a shit poppin'. I'm all about that work, nigga, ain't no long talking.
I wanna go where you tell me to go. I wanna make it big, please don't help my ego. Help my ego. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. I wanna go where you tell me to go. Tell me to go. I wanna make it big, please don't help my ego. Help my ego. Oh yeah. Live my past.
She got me going psycho. She got me going down, down, down. Gonna leave me on tight road. She got me going down, down.
Stay up on the grind, get my mind right, nigga. I just wanna get up in the limelight, nigga. I just wanna get my bank account a little bigger. I just wanna see a check talking about 8 figure, Tell them niggas ain't no time to play around. This a go-getter type of time right now. They gon' feel us in every city, every town. They know we gon' hit them with a really litty dope sound. Pull up in the shit you ain't never seen.